A post shared by ex-user Luka featured a PULS MLRS painted in Serbian camouflage. It was reported that the MLRS was seen during rehearsals for the Power of Unity 2025 military parade in Belgrade. According to a report by Army Recognition, the sighting of the vehicle makes Serbia the latest confirmed operator of the Israeli-made PULS MLRS. Similarly, Elbit Systems announced in November 2024 that a contract had been signed with an unnamed European customer. Later, allegations emerged that Serbia was the target. Under this contract, Serbia is supplying PULS MLRS, Hermes 900 UAVs, and a wide range of electronic and intelligence systems. The first contract, valued at $335 million, is scheduled for delivery over 3.5 years, while the subsequent contract, valued at $1.635 billion, will last 5 years. This purchase represents one of Serbia's largest modern defense procurements. The PULS Multiple Rocket Launcher System is a modular rocket launcher system developed by Elbit Systems following its acquisition of IMI in 2018. The multi-purpose PULS launcher consists of 2 pods, each designed for a specific rocket type. Current munitions integrated into the system include 18 122mm Accular rockets with a range of 35 km, 10 160mm Accular rockets with a range of 40 km, 4 extra rockets with a range of 150 km, and 2 Predator Hawk rockets with a range of 300 km. At least 3 other countries in Europe have procured PULS. Denmark, the Netherlands, and Germany are integrating PULS into their militaries. Germany is focusing on the Euro-PULS variant in cooperation with KNDS to ensure compatibility with European munitions. The Netherlands completed test firings at Brezandijk in July 2025, enabling the reintroduction of rocket artillery into its forces after a 19-year hiatus. Denmark has fielded 8 units mounted on the Tatra 6x6 chassis.